beautiful days don't come to you. You must work towards them. So here you can see, guys, welcome back to a very brand new video of our channel. That today I am going to talk about a very important and also a very interesting quote. This quote is that beautiful days don't come to you. You must work towards them. So here you can see what is this. Like, this is also a beautiful nature, beautiful day. So beautiful days don't come to you. You must work toward them. Your success, your achieve, your goals will not come to you. You must work towards them. Opportunity also. Every day is an opportunity. But what do we do? The main thing, what is the difference between a successful person and a failure person? Every day is an opportunity for us that God gives us. But the main thing is the successful person just use all of the opportunities. But we don't use the opportunities. So as I say, you every day make your daily goals and try to achieve all of the daily goals, and then you can get and more energy and also more power to build and to go towards your final goals. So thank you guys. To a great mind, nothing is little. Subscribe and follow our page for more.